Hello babies, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is teacher Carla. I hope you're great and keeping yourself sane and safe at home. On today's lesson, we will be answering the test yourself. Well, during our Zoom session, now I will just explain you what we're going to do. So, as usual, we're going to start with the Smart Mathematician part of the test. We're going to solve some problems by solving them with fractions. So, the first one says, a conquistador just came back from America with a fortune in bars of gold. As soon as he set foot in Spain, he started bargaining with the local merchants to sell his precious metal. He brought 500 bars of gold. He sold 2/5 to the best jeweler in Sevilla and gave 1/4 to the king as a gift. How much does he have left for himself? Now, can you express the final result as a fraction? Okay, so this is the way we're gonna answer it. The 2/5 he sold to the best jeweler in Sevilla, and the 1/4 he gave to the king. When we get the result, we're going to simplify it. And then we will solve number 2, which is, when the conquistador read his travel logs, he found that he wrote very big fractions that are hard to understand. Simplify the following fractions in the conquistador's logbook. I just solved the first one because we divide 15 into 5 and we get into 3, and we get 5. And we divide 9 into 3 and we get 3. Okay, and we do the same with the other two. Then we go to wise citizen. It has been 6 months since you left Spain to conquer the New World as a soldier, under the orders of a conquistador. Due to lack of supplies, you have been living in Cuba for some time. Answer the questions of a native interpreter who has been serving the Spaniards since their arrival. How are we going to answer this? Even though it's you need to personally answer it, it's with your own opinion, you need to use the information of the conqueror of America for you to have more logical answers. Then we will go to the career scientist part, and for answering you need to remember the following things. What is mass, which is the amount of matter in an object? Volume, the amount of space that a substance or object occupies, and matter, any type of material or anything that has mass and takes up space. As I've been telling you, matter is everything that surrounds us. Then we have the creative artist part, and we need to fill the table with examples of surface, the benders, which are substances that hold the particles of pigment together in paint. Basically, what we use for doing paints. And the finishes, which are the materials used for giving the final touches to paintings. Now, I have some examples here, like surface. You can do it on wood, metal, fabric, stone, ivory, paper, etc. The binders, vegetable oils, pigments made with water-soluble resin, like the watercolors, and the finishes, like sprays, lac, artwork with an enameled appearance, artwork where colors can be see-through and show some of the paper surface. So finishes are basically like, I don't know if you have ever seen the sprays they put on a painting after they finish it. Those are the substances they use for making the painting more resistant to all kind of particles and stuff. Okay, so that's basically it, kids. We will answer this test yourself on the Zoom session, but I want you to arrive with an idea. Now, Togepi is going to help me tell you the secret question, which is, if you could have a Pokemon, which one would you like to have? Remember, post your answers on the Zoom session chat. See you on Monday, kids. I hope you have an awesome weekend and see you soon. Goodbye.